Hello dear students. Our next experiment is to find an unknown resistance by using meter bridge. Apparatus, a meter bridge. It is called meter bridge. Why? Because it have 1 to 100 centimeter wire of manganese or constant. So it is called meter bridge. It is extended form of Wheatstone bridge. What is Wheatstone bridge? There are 4 resistance, 3 known and 1 unknown, and power supply. Here power supply. Negative end connected to one end of meter bridge. Here positive end connected to other end of meter bridge. And with these terminal we have connected unknown resistance, and with this terminal I have connected galvanometer positive end, and other end of galvanometer is connected to jockey. It is called jockey, and other 2 terminals are connected with high resistance. For example, 0 to 1 to up to 20 and 50, this side to infinity. These are connections. Here negative end of battery and positive end of battery connected with this terminal of meter bridge, and here unknown resistance galvanometer with this terminal, and with this 2 terminal attached with resistance box. Connection are jockey, resistance, unknown resistance, length of meter bridge 1 meter, power supply. In Wheatstone bridge we have already studied, if 4 resistance are joined together in this arrangement, when zero deflection or null deflection shown in galvanometer, so bridge is balanced. We have to find unknown resistance by using meter bridge. Let us start our experiment. First reading is 5 ohm. I will take out 5 ohm. Let us check the connection. हमने क्या करना है, इस कॉर्नर पे रखेंगे जॉकी को तो गैल्वेनोमीटर राइट डिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. अगर हम इस कॉर्नर पे रखेंगे तो गैल्वेनोमीटर लेफ्ट डिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. इट मीन्स कनेक्शन आर राइट. इफ कनेक्शन deflection in either both side, then connection are right. If connection are only right side or only left side, then connection are wrong. So check your connection and tighten. I have taken 5 ohm resistance on resistance box and place perpendicular jockey on meter bridge and slightly move and note down when galvanometer shows 0 deflection. Place perpendicular and slightly move it and note down when galvanometer shows 0 deflection. It deflect and it comes to 0 on which reading? It's 66.6 sorry 67. Here you can check 67 and deflection is 0. On 67 deflection is 0. So I have written for 5 resistance ohm. P point is 67, Q is 100 minus P, that is 33, and I have calculated already S is P upon Q upon R, because when galvanometer show null deflection, this obeys P upon Q and R upon S. From this formula I have calculated unknown resistance S, and it will comes out 10.15 ohm. As it is, when we changed resistance 5 to 10 ohm, जो कि हम यहाँ से निकालेंगे उतने ही ओम का रेजिस्टेंस होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने 10 की को ओपन किया है, तो इस सर्किट में 10 ओम का रेजिस्टेंस होगा. तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, R is equal to 10 second reading, and when we will move the jockey perpendicular continuously and note down the reading of P when galvanometer shows null deflection. Here null deflection again, and the reading is, you can see 50. On 50 you can see the on, again you can check, move slightly perpendicular jockey on wire, and when galvanometer shows null deflection, you can write the reading of P. Here P comes 50 and galvanometer show null deflection. So readings are, P is 50 on 10 ohm resistance, Q is 100 minus P, and S unknown resistance will be 10 ohm. Same as it is. Next, R value is 15. Here resistance are in series, so 10 plus 5 15 ohm. Again check the reading, move slightly perpendicular jockey and note down the null deflection on which point, which length. It comes on 60. So note down, and we have calculated on 15 40 P Q 60 and 10. Same as it is. If we take a note of 20 ohm, here 20 ohm, again check, check again when will it comes on 0, here on, at what point, 33.5 on 0. Galvanometer needle is on 0 on 33.5. So we have 33. So Q is 100 minus P, and R is 20, S is 99. For 30 ohm, here these are in series, 20 plus 10, 30 ohm. Again move perpendicularly, and on what point, on what length it will on 0 or null deflection, that is 24.5 null deflection. Again check, on what? 24.5. It will comes on 0. So we have calculated for 30 ohm 24.5 length of P, and Q is 100 minus P 76, and with calculation we get 9.6. So we have taken mean of all these values and divide by 5. So result is 10.1 ohm resistance, which is our unknown resistance. Here we have explained meter bridge. So thank you so much.